In this tutorial, I'll clarify how to access ESPN through Disney Plus on your TV and provide a solution if you're looking to watch ESPN content. Let's get started. While Disney Plus itself does not include ESPN, you can access ESPN by subscribing to the Disney Bundle, which includes Disney Plus, Hulu, ad-supported, and ESPN Plus. To get started, visit the Disney Plus website or app and navigate to the subscription plans page. Select the Disney Bundle option and complete the sign-up process. Once subscribed, download the ESPN app on your smart TV or streaming device, Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or gaming console, and log in with your account credentials. If prompted, activate the app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the activation code displayed on your screen. Alternatively, use the ESPN app on your phone or tablet and cast it to your TV via Chromecast or AirPlay. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on the Disney Bundle.